Hello, artists, and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. I am Cole Melvin, and I am the creator behind this channel, and I am also an elementary art teacher in Wisconsin. And I have this ambitious goal of reaching as many artists, creators, and makers as possible through YouTube. So please follow along with me to make doodles and masterpieces in your own creative style. On this channel, you will find choice-based art projects suitable for any age. These videos and playlists are great for children or for families looking to support their creativity and artistic growth. I do create new videos frequently throughout the school year, so there's almost a new video and exciting content to check out weekly. Thank you for taking the time to check out my channel and for supporting the arts. You truly are amazing. Happy making, artists. Enjoy.